Mic on.
Hello? Hello, can you hear me? What is up, everybody? Sorry about that, my mic was muted, and I did not even realize, but we're gonna roll with the take, because that's how we do. My name is Arlie, aka Young Garlic, and we are coming to you with another day of our trading journey here at Arcane, where I, as a new trader, I'm basically doing this trading journal to kind of see how we can improve and what I need to do to get better. They say journaling is a big part of trading and succeeding as a trader, and so that's the whole point of this, to improve my trading skills and also to help any new traders out there who are struggling. You can kind of watch as a new trader struggles too and tries to figure out what to do in the markets. As always, before we begin, my not my our links for our Discord, Arcane Society, is down below. Please come and check those out. Follow all of our socials, all that stuff. We would love that. We live trade daily in our Discord, live trading, live analysis, live call outs from our top analysts. Honestly, I believe some of the top analysts that um, we have some of the top analysts in the FinTwit world. So yeah, please come and check us out. Sorry, I'm just kind of playing around with charts, looking at Snapchat. We got some things to talk about on Snapchat today. Market was really weird today, and we'll get into that. But I think I covered everything that we usually cover when we get started. So first off, uh, down $5 on the account today, pretty much break even. It's kind of hard to trade how I want to at work, just being that I'm kind of new to the project and all that stuff. So I'm kind of trying to figure things out over there and try to trade as I can. But we were okay today. I mean, break even. We had a couple of decent trades. Just played tight stops and everything because I couldn't watch all the time. But we traded Snap. I think I took a mute trade. Nope, Snap all day today. We also took a swing today, so we're going to talk about that as well. Why we swung Snap and the plan on that. But anyways, start the day 9:41. I took a short. All right. Let me turn on the indicator that we are using. 9:41. I took a short. So right here on this candle. All right, we're failing to claim this right here. Um, I think this was like a little 10% play for us, nothing big. Just wanted to see if we could make something shake. 9:41 took a short and got out at 9:45. So this right here, just a quick little scalp. Could have held this all day. Would have went in the money on it. Would have been a really nice trade, but like I said, just busy at work. Can't really watch. I ended up closing this because I had something to do, and I was green, so I said whatever. Um, no, actually, that wasn't here. I closed this because of this candle. I got out because I was just green and I just wanted to go ahead and take those profits. So not mad about that. So 9:41 right here, we short, and I close here down at 9:45. So I'll take it. Not mad about it. Could have held it and made some more green, but whatever. Then I turned around and went long at 9:46. And then closed long at 9:50 for $0. All right, so I think wanted to see if we were gonna bounce here, make a higher high, kind of a double bottom at open, holding this level. Then we reject up here, and I ended up just exiting shortly after that rejection. So good two trades that opened the day. I don't know, it was not too bad, right? And then good entries on both, different thesis or decent thesis on both too. But yeah, I'll take it. It's weird not trading on my computer. I will say that, but I'm doing my best on mobile. And we'll get there. Little by little, we're gonna get there. Riley's play yesterday was a good one. We had a couple good ones here today we're gonna get into, but we're gonna get there brick by brick. 10-11, I longed. Right, so I see us trying. Looks like we're trying to bounce a little bit in base. It's a little early on this. This is what I was looking for right here. 10-11. My enter here. Right, we're trying to make this a higher high here. Not bad. Right, not a bad entry here. My mouse is doing that thing where it doesn't want to work. What are you doing? I'm so sorry. My mouse does this thing where it doesn't want to work, and it's super frustrating. Anyways, try to do this with my finger. I don't know if this thing is dirty or what, but it's super frustrating because this happens to me in the middle of a PvP game or something, and then I'm SOL. Where's my mouse at? Anyways, this was a $16 loss. I ended up not being able to get filled actually on the exit like I wanted to. Yeah, $16 loss. So bigger loss than I usually like. But I don't know. It is what it is. I mean, I wasn't not overthinking stuff, right? I saw this, not a bad entry. Let me see, did we see on volume? Or was it at 10:11 up here? We longed. Yeah, looking at volume, not really valid in terms of volume, but I do see us bouncing really hard here, right? And then I ended up closing this at 10:16, so on this candle. Well, this is super vol. Yeah, I had to get out on a market order. But yeah, this was the last trade I took for about an hour, right? So $16 loss here, not bad. The thesis was there, bouncing. Probably could have seen that this was a weak bounce. Probably should have seen that actually, but we didn't. So it is what it is. Weak because we're seeing it's super wicky, right? There's no real strength. Like this is a strong candle. These are strong candles, right? These are strong candles, right? These aren't really strong. So I could have played this pullback and shorted again, but I didn't. So that's maybe something I've been studying price action more and more recently because I feel like I've been kind of neglecting price action. So should have seen this was weak. Even these little green candles here, they have nice bodies to them, but they're still kind of weak, especially because the volume is super low in comparison to our bear volume. So yeah, got out here. Not bad. That's why it was $16. It's 20-cent move on something close to the money. But the next play, I ended up selling this for a $16 loss, and then I longed here at 11:05. Right, so a little bit of an early entry, right? But I'm looking for this double bottom. Alright, we get our double bottom, consolidate, and boom, and then we rip. This was a nice, I think I was up 25% on this at one point, but I held it a little bit to see if we would go higher. And actually I'd use market to get out of this, so I kind of missed my exit. But so bought here 11:05, and then sold it at 11:35. So I didn't get out till this candle. I was trying to get out, and then because I was looking at this volume, it didn't really look real. All right, this volume isn't that big, but we just kept coming down. I tried to set a limit to sell, couldn't get it, so I had to sell the market. But it was a $14 play, so not bad for us. All right, it's like 20%. I'll take it. Yeah, and then 11:38, I shorted, thinking that we're gonna come down. So I kind of waited for us to kind of do this. I like this candle. This is still kind of strong, but I am still thinking we might pull back a little bit. So where is this? 11:38. All right, so we're kind of doing this barcode action here. I was thinking that we might kind of chop here in this range, double bottom, and I was thinking we might chop right here because we struggled right here, as you can see. We bounced off this level. I was thinking we might come back down, but we ended up breaking out. This was like a $7 loss or something. 11:38, took the short. So here, decent entry for the thesis, and then closed it at 11:58. So on this candle when we start breaking above. So not bad. So my trades were there today, trying to work on price action and trying not to stress. I'm not oversizing as much as I was, so I'm not as stressed in terms of my plays. Just kind of keep my stops on and let them ride, see what happens. But we did do a thing today. We're trying our first swing. Talked about this with Riley. I think it's going to be a nice play. It is a 36 call for May 20. If we look at the daily, I kind of like. The only thing that scares me about this is this trend line, but I do like that we are holding this. This is a demand zone for us. All right. Let me see. I want it to give me more bars. So let me do this. If I do 60. Yeah. So this is a demand zone for us right here. That's why we're holding this level really well. That's why when we lose it pretty hard, and then we stop here. So we'll lose the supply zone, knife through all this, and then get into this demand zone down here where there are buyers. So we're bouncing right here, right? This is a 382 line in terms of a fib. I want to say it's this one. I've done all the fibs on Snapchat. Validated all these. No, this isn't it. Is it this one? Yeah, so all-time lows, all-time high. We're at a 382 retracement, and we're holding it nicely. All right, so over 28.19. I really wanted to see this level hold today, this 28.90 level. But it's good risk reward. I'm gonna have my stop below 28, so as you can see, we're trying to curl up off of this after-hour dump. I think SPY is trying to curl up as well. So it's just kind of this close is kind of weird. But we entered here at 1400, so 2 o'clock. Entered here. We saw some nice action. Right to the upside. Man, I really like this play. Other than this little falling wedge that we're kind of looking at here, we're holding this. And the reason I took 36, May 20, is I'm looking at this trend line, and if I do this, where's May 20? If I set it to where I hit the trend line at May 20, this is 35. So it's not quite in the money, but it is in the money. It is like good enough to where if we hit this trend line, right, I'll be like $1 away from in the money. So it will be a nice play for us. And even then, it could happen before that, because you see, when we hit the bounce off this trend line, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 days of running. That's how it has been. So we could see it before that. We could see it this week or next week. And it could be a really nice play for us. But it was $40. I only took one, keeping it small. Gonna keep a stop under this line right here, this kind of 28 level. But this is kind of, I would like to get into swing trading, because swing trading can be very profitable. It also can be a little bit safer, right? Because we're buying time on these things. We're letting these things happen. And it's just, I mean, it's I guess it's easier to get entries, because it's like, I mean, if you look at day trading, I mean, these things are happening fast, right? But all day, I can see a price approach a level. Once we get around that level, I can enter the trade, set my stop below it, all that good stuff. So I don't know. We're gonna just see how it works. Not really expecting it to be anything. Not expecting it to be a banger. Really just gonna see how it works. Gonna try to start experimenting with it more. Swing trading is a little bit safer, especially for new traders. Allow me to structure plans a little bit and see what we can do. But yeah, I'm gonna keep working on price action. Entries are we're back to where our entries should be. Good entries, good conviction, thesis is there. Just kind of need some things to kind of go in our favor. Um, but yeah, not a bad day. Break even. I think I only had 2 good trades today. And the rest were losses, but we still broke even. Um, those losses. I mean, I guess I could have just. I guess I probably could set break even losses, but at the end of the day, the bangers the ones like the really good trades I'm hitting, I let them kind of go 5 or 6% red if I have to, because my entries are usually a little aggressive. So I don't know. I'm okay with where we're at because I mean the theses are there, right? I mean we're not doing bad. We just got to keep practicing, keep working, keep studying. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me on YouTube or Discord. Um, Always love the love from you guys. Even if you guys, I mean, I don't know. Even if you guys are having a bad day or I'm having a bad day, you guys still reach out to me. I do appreciate it. Um, but yeah, socials are down below. Discord link is down below. Please come check us out there. Shameless plug time as always. My Weeble is down below. Please, if you want to change brokers or you want to get into trading, please use my link when you sign up. We both get some free stocks, chance to get tests, all the good stuff. Nice boost to the portfolio. But anyways, you guys have a great evening. If you have anything else or you want to ask me any questions, my DMs are always open. You guys have a good evening. Good evening. Bye.